Hi friends, it's Sachidanand, and today we will learn a new thing, uh, the physical volume migration in production setup. Okay, if there is a physical server and you have created the logical volume, the LVM, and from the storage end, if there is a requirement of the migration, as the old storage is out of support and they will purchase a new storage and they will migrate they want to migrate the data from old storage to new storage. Okay, and in our physical server setup, we from the OS end or from that their end also, but from the OS end, how we can migrate the disk, we will check in our video. From if the disk is provided to the VMware, and from VMware end, the VMware team will migrate using the storage vMotion. Okay, but currently we will check with the OS end. Okay, and we consider our server is a physical server, and we have to migrate the disk from the old disk to the migrate the data from old disk to new disk. Okay, first we will verify. We have to migrate slash data file system. Is in data VG is there, and currently there is only one physical volume is there. So we have to migrate this physical volume to another physical volume. Okay, using this command we will check that the data VG, the disk is attached to the SDC, and currently the size of that disk is 2 GB, and there's a 500 MB is free and 1.5 GB is used. Okay, so accordingly we will take the storage. We can take bigger storage also, or the same size. It's not a matter, because it will use as a 1.5, so we have to take more than 1.5 G. Currently we are testing this in our VMware setup, so we will manually add from the VMware end. We are taking the same size disk, which is 2 GB. Okay, the disk is added. So after adding the disk, we need to first rescan the disk, so it will shown in our server. Okay, for we are using currently the storage from the local data store of virtual machine. So there is no FC connectivity. Okay, And nowadays, for the better performance, uh, we are using the SAN storage with FC connectivity. Okay, which is provided the throughput of 2G, 4G, 8G, 16G, up to 16G. Okay, so in our situation, we are using the local disk, so we have to provide this command. The disk is scanned. Shown as is taking the name as a SDE. For the FC, I just give you the command. Okay, so this command will be work for the FC connectivity servers. Currently, there is no FC connectivity, so it will not show. But in the server with the FC connectivity, the this folder is shown. Host star means whatever the connectivity is there. If there is a two, so we will take it will shown as host one or host two. Okay, the two. So we need to scan all the hosts as we scan in our SCSI. Okay, for scanning, there is a different command, issue lib. Okay, and we are using this command for the FC host. Okay, after scanning, the disk will be shown in view. Okay, now we will create the file structure. Okay, the partition is ready, and currently we are in a data. Yes. Okay, this activity you can do on the fly. There is no need to downtime. Okay, that's why I'm in a data folder. So we will check with that also. That is the data I have created. Okay, first we have to create the physical volume. It's successfully created. Check, verify it. Okay, HDE is created. There is no, it's not a part of any VG right now. So we add it to the data VG because we have to migrate the data VG. Use the command VG extend data VG and the physical volume name. Okay, it's extended successfully. Now we will see uh, HDE1 is a part of the data VG and the 2 GB is free. Okay, 0 percent use currently. Okay, now we have to migrate the data. We have to free the HDC disk. Okay, so we have to migrate the data from HDC to HDE disk. First, we have to mention the source, which is HDC1, and the destination, which is HDE1. Okay, now that data is moved to the new disk. It will take time as per your data. Currently, there is less data in that, so hope it will complete it. Okay, it's completed. Wait for the shell. Okay, now it's done. Just verify it. Okay, now the HDC is showing 0% use and HDE is 500 MB free and 1.5 GB used. Okay, our data is there. There is nothing is happened to our data. Okay, we'll touch one file, modify the same file. Okay, so we can able to write on the data file system. Now we have to remove the old disk, which is HDC1. Okay, so first we have to remove it from a VG. Okay, now the HDC1 is removed. Just verify it. Okay, now the HDC1 is not a part of any VG volume group. Okay, HDE is part of our data VG volume group. Now we will remove the physical volume. Okay, HDC1 is successfully wiped. Okay, it's gone. Now we have to delete the disk from our server. So we are using this. Now it's deleted. Okay. Now it's not shown on your device. Okay. Now we have to inform the storage team, and they will unmap the disk from server end. I hope you enjoy the video and it helpful to you. And sorry for my incorrect English. Okay, if you like the video, just click on subscribe and like button. Okay, thanks for watching the video.